Welcome, today in front of me Honor X7 and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first let's open Settings application and then tap on the Sounds and Vibration. Then you'll see here a notification tone section. Click here once and switch your currently notification sound from one of these available sounds. Also, you can use music on your device, but how to do that you should find another video on our Hard Reset YouTube channel. So now here, after that, when we will select the notification sound, just go back, and here we can see that we just successfully changed notification sound on our Honor smartphone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.